Now, on Apple iPhone, there's a feature called FaceTime. With this, you can call other Apple iPhone users. If you want, you can make a video call, and if you prefer, you can make an audio call as well. One thing to note is that this works only between iPhones. So anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to make a FaceTime call on an Apple iPhone. For this, you don't need to install any third-party applications. It's already installed on your Apple iPhone. Here, you can see the FaceTime application. What you need to do is open the FaceTime application. After that, you'll reach a page like this. If you've already made calls, you'll see those contacts here, or if you haven't made any calls, you'll see a new call option. Click on New Call. When you click on that, you'll see the option to select a contact. You can search for any contact here, or you can select whichever contact you want from here. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, if you want to make a video call, you can see FaceTime in the center. Click on that. Or, if you want to make an audio call, you need to click on this button. Anyway, I'm selecting the FaceTime video call. So, click on FaceTime, and when you do that, the call will go. Now, on my second phone, you can see the call is coming. Anyway, I'm picking up this call. Here, you can see a green button. Click on it. When you click on that, the call will connect. Now, both phones are connected. After that, if you want to switch the camera, you can see a button like this. Click on it, and the camera will switch. Now it's on the back camera. If you want to switch again, click it once more, and now it's on the front camera. If you want to turn off the video, just click on this button. When you click it, the video will be turned off. Now, the video won't be visible. Anyway, I'm turning the video back on. If you want to mute, click on this button. It will be muted. If you want to unmute, click it again. Here, you can also see 3 dots. Click on that. When you do, you'll see many options. There are live caption and live translation options, which means you can translate the audio if you want. Here, you can also see the screen sharing option. If you wanted to share your screen and show others what's happening on your screen, you can do that. For this, click on screen sharing. When you click on it, you'll see 2 options, ask to share and share my screen. That means, if you want to view the other person's screen, select ask to share. Or, if you want to share your screen with them, select share my screen. For example, I'm selecting share my screen. When you click on it, your screen will be shared with them. Now, even if I minimize my phone, you can see everything on my screen. If you want to maximize it, click here to view it in full screen. And whatever I do, you can see it happening on the other phone as well. After that, if you want to stop screen sharing, go back to the video call screen. Here, you'll see viewer screen, click on stop. When you click that, screen sharing will stop. Similarly, you can also ask them to share their screen. There's one more option called share play. That means if you're watching or listening to something, you can share it with them as well. If you want to take a screenshot, you can see a button like this, click on it. When you do, a screenshot will be taken, and it will be saved to your phone's Photos application. One thing to note is that when you take a screenshot, a notification will appear on their phone informing them. After this, if you want to disconnect the call, click on this button. When you click it, the call will end. If you want to make an audio call, select FaceTime first. After that, click on the contact. For example, I'm selecting this contact. Then, click on the call button. When you click it, the audio call will start. Now, you can see the audio call. I'm answering it now. As you can see, this is an audio call, no video is shared. So, this is how you can make a FaceTime call on an Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.